Hi everybody and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are here in the Nature Kingdom looking at our wonderful now grown-up wolf, Branch. Oh my gosh, Branch. He's a grown-up now and we are going to get if it wants to load. Okay, there's timberwolves in here and actually really quickly. Let's see. So we have okay, so we have okay, so there's no male African penguins, so just going to check that real quickly. See if there's anyone. And yes there is. Alright. He is better for fertility, so we're gonna take him even though we are very low on money. Also, oh, okay, let's request our mechanic. And our research is complete. So, also guys, I know I said last time that, okay, what's this? I like this new, place, but why is it? Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, where is it? Last time I said we didn't have the Africa, architecture, and I was so confused about it. And then I forgot that you have to research. So, we're going to, oh boy, start researching that. And we do have someone visiting, Maynard Erickson. Hello. And I hope eventually those of you who play Planet Zoo, one of you can actually, visit our zoo. It's not like you'd be knowing it, but hey. Okay, so last time we made this area much bigger. And they still have a good chunk. So, our problem is that we do not have a lot of money, which is a problem. So, I was thinking, why not get some more animals? Because we can honestly always use more animals. So, we have 2 African penguins, male, female, and Snowball's mating. Please tell me baby polar bears. Maybe. Please, 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 please. Please? Maybe? Yes! Yes, 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 yes! And yes, we are very low on cash. But guys, she's expecting babies, which I'm super excited about. Why are we so low on money? Okay, so our profits have gone down a lot. And we basically can't afford anything. So, it's not great. What do our guests think? No gift shops. Okay. What are these people say? Okay, that's our... Let's see. So, people are thirsty. Jeez, they're very thirsty. I don't want to risk our remaining money on that, though. Yeah, geez, there's... Oh, well, they might be thirsty because we may or may not only have one drink shop, possibly. Uh-oh. Snowball! And now we lose almost all of our guests. If you look at that. Yes, thank you. That would be helpful for you to tell me before. Oh, jeez. Icicle. Okay. Okay, yes, people are unhappy now. Why are our mechanics not doing their job? Where is Icicle? Okay. There we go. We have an eye on 2 of them. That's good. Okay. So, we have our emergency mechanic. Okay, yep. And so pretty much everyone has Jeez. Oh, jeez. Icicle. Jeez. Okay. We took care of that broken barrier. Mechanic has been requested. And mechanic has been... Oh, the inspector was there for all that. Okay, that didn't go as badly as I thought. Just, you know, we're gonna say that, that they didn't see it. Because, you know, Icicle broke his barrier. So, yeah, and jeez Louise, we are very low on cash. Okay, how much will this sell for? Okay, barely any people have bought so from here. People want drinks. And we can get them now. Oh, no we can't. We'll get, people seem to like Cosmic Cow, so yes I can buy it. There we go. That's what I thought. So guys, this could potentially be super risky, but we just did it. So now we have like $100, and that's going, it's going up. Okay, what is this from? Staff wages, animal food, and that's most of it. It's mostly, Oh, we're having reindeer babies, guys. That's the only good thing, because we're like broke. Because we tried to make a way too big exhibit. But, I mean, we want the best exhibit. Okay, is she going to have babies or no? Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the message is we need more mechanics. Which would make sense because, oh, is she going to have her babies? Brigitta? Which we still need a name, so please comment down below name suggestions for them. We have reindeer and we are about to have some more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Who is this? Auntie! He's so cute! Oh, look at him! Okay, so, there's a mechanic running in the background. What does this fit? Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Okay. Also, we are at negative funds. But we need a mechanic. Because otherwise things aren't going to go. Where are wolves? They're actually being good. They're not trying... Okay. Root's going to the bathroom, but... They're not trying to escape. Good job. I'm really proud of our wolves. Okay, zoo is low in cash. Yes, I'm aware. Where's the mechanic? Oh, right here. Okay, our mechanic's fixing that. No one's fixing this. And we barely have any money. So, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez, Snowball. A box. Oh, jeez, Snowball. I'm so sorry. Okay, yeah, so she's not doing very well. And yes, guys, I know they have no enrichment, but, kind of stuck in a hard place right now. Also, it's, like, very dark and rainy. I wanted to get some security cameras in here because I think it would be really cool. We are definitely going to have just a ton, like, once we get money, in the polar bear exhibit, like, because that would be awesome. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you, what I'm thinking right now since we're, like, poor. So basically there's going to be a section in here where people can view the polar bears. They can, come down with a little path, that will, geez, it's like thundering, enlightening? That's not a word. But it's gonna kind of like go under and then come up so that it doesn't disrupt the polar bears, or at least that's what I hope. And so it'll be kind of like a cool underground path that goes like, hopefully we can make it go like under this way, and then yeah, we'll have to figure it out, but let's see. I'm just gonna look right now since we have infinite time. Well, not infinite time, but so pretty much it's gonna be like a sort of tunnel. Don't know how to get that, and it stopped raining. Where is the mechanic? Okay, yep, so this guy's fine. And we are getting more money, guys, so I'm super excited. Yeah, but I think it'd be cool to have a little viewing area in the water, because I don't want to just create a zoo for animals. We might as well be doing what we're doing over. Our doll sheep is having offspring. This one's named Charlotte. Alright. Where is she gonna have them? Looks like she's still eating. And yep, they're due. We completed none of this. Oh, we have 0. Oh, that's because we have. That's because we have no souvenirs places. Alright, she gonna have them? She's gonna have them. Or, I don't know if it's just one. I think it said 1 to 3. Oh, look at it. Is she having more than one? Is she? Or is that... Okay, I guess... Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't know if it's a him or her. I didn't check. But look at them. Is it a him or her? It's a him. Look at him. James, the doll sheep. Look at him. He's so cute. See, look at those people right there. Those people. See? Give us money. We need money very badly. Appreciate the doll sheep, please. Okay, so it's gonna pass right by night because it's impossible to see. And it's morning again. How you guys like this? With expanding? Excuse me, I'm trying my best. So like I was saying, like way before, that I want to make the zoo something that like I would want. So like it'd be super cool if I could just go down and see the polar bears, and people would not be complaining about not being to see the animals then. Also, I think it'd be cool if we kind of have like glaciers surrounding this barrier area, and then guests can kind of like walk up there and like see them from a higher point. I think that would be pretty cool. So I was talking about getting some animals in here a long time ago. So we have our African penguins, just a female, binturong. So, oh wait, no, we have binturongs, which I think are absolutely adorable. African penguins, let's see. Then we have fennec foxes. Do we have? Okay, yeah, we have females. Oh geez, we have plenty of binturongs. Let's see. Okay, so we are still missing some animals. But I don't necessarily want to buy them for cash. Also, let's uncheck this, whoa, the timber wolf. Oh, I think the sun bear is actually one of them. Yeah, okay, so there's no females, so I'll have to remember that, at least for cash, and we're not buying anyone for cash. And I don't want to spend a ton of money on... So we haven't even made a profit this year. That's not great. Actually, it used to be minus 10,000. But now it's actually really good. So, and it's almost year 13. Uh-oh. Jeez Louise. How did we just lose so much so fast? Now we're back up. It must have been like animal food or staff wages or something. Well, it's going up. We're about to have money. Ish. Maybe. Maybe. Possibly. Okay, yeah. No, we were so close. Yes. $7. Yay! Now we have 100. Well, it's a constant struggle. And that's what we get for trying to do this. Also, our polar bears are having a baby in a while, but guys, we finally, wait, I want to see, I'm pretty sure breeding in captivity is hard for polar bears. Also, our reindeer is about to have offspring. Okay, so it says it somewhere. Says, I swear it says somewhere. Okay, we're gonna, oh, she's asleep. We're going to watch her then. Natural habitat, species data. It should say, oh, don't go anywhere now. It should say what breeding in captivity is, but I can't seem to find that. I'm sure it's like right in front of me. Oh, we're getting some babies. So now, Is there gonna be more than one? Maybe? I don't know if they can actually have more than one. Nope, that's it. And I hope we get like 3 polar bear cubs when we have them. And this is Prita. Whoop. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. Pretty Prita. Okay, so now I'm actually just gonna walk onto Prita. And, okay, I can't do that. And, okay, we actually need the money. And I'm going to find this. Okay. It says breeding in captivity somewhere. I've seen it before. Largest in our zoos. Ours are pretty long. For our female. Oh my gosh, that's a massive polar bear. These are just for other zoos. 44.5 years. Wow. And our male isn't very old. So, okay, we got a VIP guest. Hello. Where? This is Caleb. H08. Hello. Okay, and I'm going to find this. It says species data. Mating system, da 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 da. Number of offspring. Yeah, okay, so they can have up to 3 babies, and I hope we get that, because that'd be exciting. Station, da 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 da, enter birth. It says somewhere, like King Penguin. Oh, tickets are underpriced. Okay, 10 and 8. Thank you, guests. Appreciate it. And we are low on cash, but now we're getting $1 more for adult and kids. So, how are our elderly? Well, oh, hey, I actually forgot. Okay, yeah. So Petal's not doing great, and we actually need to get the female wolf in here. Let's see. We got her recently. I know we got her because we looked at her. There we go. Is that the only one? Okay, yep. So, send to zoo. She's not the best, but I think Branch would probably take any wolf. Is this? Oh, Petal. I think. Alright, this is Branch. She's still nice and young. And Root. Oh, Root's even older. Oh, wait. He's already elderly. I think they can still have pups when they're elderly, but they had their single pup Branch, kind of like Umbra from our Wolf Quest series. She actually had 1 pup, which is super rare, but she did. Okay, so ooh, we're getting Embrace in here. Embrace. And look at her. She's a new addition to the wolf pack. Oh, no one's coming over to greet her. So welcome, Empress. And I think she will be the perfect mate for Branch, to carry on, you know, the pack once Petal and, Root aren't here anymore. But that's something sad to think about for another time. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue first earning more money and then working on our Arctic section. And yeah, be sure to go check out KitKat. He is my friend, and we do a lot of videos together. Also, he just created a new tutorials channel, so he's going to be showing you guys, as far as I know, his own tutorials that he has created, and I'm pretty sure they look pretty cool. So be sure to check that out. But, yeah, guys, and look how much smaller she is than Branch. Whoa, Nature Wolf out.